If you'll watch while I'm cutting this, I'm always moving the puck at a lateral angle to the blade. So if I do slip or anything while going around the outside of the puck, I'm not going to end up with my fingers in the blade. This is generally how I find the center. Just so you know, this method is not OSHA approved. I never know which way to start scraping, so if I begin to get tear out pushing away from myself, then I just change to the opposite direction. .80 grit, and here I've switched to 220. Here is another safety third drilling technique. Right here I'm putting the finishing touches on the hole that the screen will be positioned in. Then it's time to put the beeswax and mineral oil on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this.